problem. I'm given potassium phosphate, aluminum nitrate turns into potassium nitrate and aluminum phosphate. I know that I have 0.405 moles of this to begin with, and I need to find out the grams of this. Since I'm starting with moles and going to grams, then of my choices here, mole mass is going to be the best choice. So for mole mass, I have 1, 2, 3 sections. So I started, I'm going to have 2, and I'm going to have 3 sections, and this will be my answer area. So first off, in the top left corner is always what you're given. So in this case, I'm given 0.405 moles of K3PO4. Do not leave K3PO4 out. You might get confused and your calculations may be off if you do that. So my given is right there. Then I'm going to compare the coefficient of the given and the coefficient of the unknown. And of course you remember that coefficients are the numbers that are in front of the formula. So in this case, we have a 1, a 1, a 3, and a 1. So the coefficient of the given here is that I have 1 mole of K3PO4. And up here for the unknown, I have 3 moles of KNO3. Okay, straight from the equation. Last thing that I need to do, step 3, is I need to take 1 mole of the unknown and find its molar mass, because this is a mole to mass problem. So I'm going to take 1 mole of the unknown, which is KNO3, and then I'm going to find out the mass of it. Now if I'm going to find the molar mass of anything, I'm going to go on the periodic table. I'm going to take some space over here to do this. Okay. On the periodic table, I'm going to look up potassium. And when I see potassium and I want to know the mass of potassium, I'm going to go where it says average atomic mass, and I see it's 39 point actually 39. So I've got K is equal to 39. Nitrogen, same place, is equal to 14, and oxygen is equal to 16 times 3, because there are 3 oxygens, which means it's going to equal 48. And when I total all of those up, I end up with 39 plus 14 plus 48, which equals 101. That means that the molar mass of potassium nitrate is 101 grams. Okay. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply across the top, divide by the bottom. So I have 0.405 times 3 times 101 divided by 1 times 1. So if I do that, I should end up, oops, my calculations are a little bit off there, so I'm having to do this fresh. Okay, times 3 times 101 should be 123.7, or rounding to the nearest, I have 3 significant digits there, so it would be 124 grams of KNO3. Okay.